Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to set up a new Google account on Android device. Okay, first of all, you can go to your settings application on your Android phone and you have to scroll down and click on account and backup. It's over here. On this setting, you have to choose manage account and you can scroll down until you find add account option. Okay, and since we want to set up a new Google account, we can select Google and just wait for a moment. Hold on guys. Okay, and here you can sign in with your Google account. You can input your email or phone right here. You have to input your password as well, but if you want to create new Google account, you can click on create account right here and you need to follow the instruction. Alright guys, so that's how we can set up a new Google account on Android device. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching. And if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you on the next video.